It's not that, it's a, yeah, like whoever you follow. So I think it's okay. It's not that serious. So, but is here. Hello. Wait, let me check. Sana they don't talk about right. Wait, where's my thing? Oh my god, I almost. What's up? Hello. Zimba, ang lungkot ko. Why? Why are you... make a brr, make a brr.
Mag-MMK ka dyan.
True. Wait, where's my thing? How are you guys? Hello. Hello. Wait, is this a cute guy? Is this a cute guy? You know what? There was a time na I go live on TikTok just to look for.
Cute guys.
Yeah.
Sinama mo sa live? Dapat di ba ako?
Yeah. Inask sila to go up. But I mean, in fairness.
Maraming cute guys.
Maraming cute. Well, yeah. What's this again? Sorry. Zimba, ganda mo. Thank you, of course. Char. I look so sleepless though. Sleepless!
Parang hindi naman.
Hello. Maganda ang body, mom. Love that for you. What? Zimba, ang diamond tato. Well, nikapur. Dibaras. Hello. Kaya lang ang hirap kasi i-check ng profile if cute. Kasi naka-live. Meron ako 2 phones before. Pinag-check ko yung isa.
Para mabili.
Ay, ginawa ko before.
Alin?
Like, peak to ng Drag Race Season 3
Oh.
Parang yung peak nun every week, di ba? Eh, nandun naman ako. Every week, parang kada after the episode, I go live, yeah. Pero may part na parang, ang dami kasi hindi nakakanood. Kasi wala silang either wow or ano. Ang ginawa ko, sabi ko, sige, I'll share this wow percent. Kasi ito galing siya sa wow. Tapos, pero, para lang sa sa mga cute guys. And itong cute guys na to, itong cute guys na to, they will message me on Instagram. Tapos, re-reveal na rin nila kung cute sila. Tapos, I'll judge. Yeah, I'll judge.
Doon ba na ako kung senda lang
Ang daming nag-message on Instagram. Ang daming cute.
Okay.
Pero I only pick 3. I still have them, yeah! As in, ang dami. Pero, tapos meron akong mga parang, live reaction na, ang confident mong masabi mong cute ka. Parang ganon. Tapos iba naman, nag-message. Tapos, nireplyan ko. Tapos sabi nila, hindi ko punid na wow, gusto ko na mapapansin. Parang ganon. It was successful. Hello.
Pag napansin ako makas ako exam ko.
Ayan nga. Kala ko inuhulaan mo. Hello. You'll pass it. Kung ang exam mo ay board exam ko. Pero kung quiz lang yan.
Pag hindi pangalan niya. Brian.
Isang work lang po. Work. Char.
PR manager.
Hello. Alam mo bang, balo ko pala i-chika. Alam ko si i-chika. Itong isang queen I know, parang she got her 2 guys, parang magkasada guys, only on TikTok. As in, she watches on TikTok, tapos parang sinasanda niya ng roses yung mga guys. Tapos the guy would, hindi, abang nanonood lang siya, like, viewer lang siya. Tapos, So, doon yung roses, tapos yung, parang dadamihan mo, di ba? Para mapansin ka. Eto mga pinapanood mo naman, like, mini-mini eh. So, they would notice kung sino yung ang dami. So, after daw, may message siya nung guy. Tapos, ayun, date na sila. That's so cute. Ako nga eh. Mag-ipon ako ng roses. Sige. Mag-ipon ako ng roses. Guys, bigyan niyo ako ng roses. Isasend ko siya sa mga cute guys. I tried it. Di ko na-try mag-send ng rose. I tried to watch, like, look for ano. Hindi naman ako napapansin.
Big account kasi.
Big account kasi.
Try mo kasi sa mga cute.
Yung smaller kasi they're not that cute. So,
Hi, love you from Italy. Italy ka pa.
hello from the Philippines. From San Juan, Philippines. Ayun, they're so cute.
Congrats mo siya.
Congratulations. Sali ako sa live. If you're cute, let's go. Hello, Miguel. Alam mo ba, nung peak nung Drag Race namin, may nag-send ng Galaxy, nag-send
Ayan o.
ng Cowboy, ng Lion. Yeah, 12K.
Whoa! Nice.
Pero that's like, ano naman, maraming live. Peak din yun nung ng She's a Baddie. So
Oh,
parang,
diba? Perfect.
Pick mo pa rin ngayon.
Oo naman. Marami ka.
buhayin mo lang ako, Lord.
It's Zimba Ding and she's a body.
It's on the way. Where are you guys going? Ay, okay. Wala. The McDo is almost there. Pero, wala pa. I'm not sure. Wala pa. Mamaya pa. I like pills. I like drugs. I like getting money. I like strippers. I like to fuck. Monay. What's Monay? Wow, di ko na nagawa to. Ang fun nung one shot, one makeup challenge.
Good mo.
Like, you'd drink
Yeah.
after like one product or
Yes.
like one another lines or something.
As in, primer shot.
Try mo rin.
Illuminator shot.
Well, I don't use primer. I don't use...
True ba?
Yeah, I
Diretso
don't.
foundation.
Yeah.
Also, good. Foundation
Wait.
shot.
Moisturizer.
Wait. Anong products na namin before?
For what?
Moisturizer lang.
Yeah.
Ano moisturizer mo?
Any moisturizer.
Okay.
Pero I need to buy a primer. Kasi, I know, lagi ako nag-crease sa under eye.
May sasabihin na, natin privacy friend.
Oh, eh.
Why?
I don't know. Sabi lang ng beauty group.
Talaga. But also, parang pag nagpa-primer kasi me, parang nawawala, nabubura yung makeup.
Ito ba?
Kasi, lalo pag makapal. I don't know. I actually don't
Si
know.
Shendon, sabi niya din siya nagpa-prime.
Moisturizer.
Makakaano daw. Yan siya sa setting spray.
Ako I do setting spray.
Hindi ko kaya naman kasi.
What's your setting spray?
Nichido lang.
Is it nice?
Like, the MAC. Kasi
Is it
I
dry?
can't use, like, dewy.
Is it super long lasting?
It's super long lasting, girl. I imagine my almost 24 hours.
Okay, I like that.
Ano?
The thing is, maganda ka pa rin ba?
Did you know?
The question, yeah.
Kailangan.
It's also cheap.
We need that.
That's true. You know what? I don't know anything about like the makeup. Like what kind of makeup I need to use on my face.
What's your
Kasi I don't know what works on me. Parang ano lang siya. If I can like finish a makeup. That's it.
But you're good, it's nice.
Malinis
I
na
don't
yung
know.
mukha mo.
Siguro malinis siya. Pero there's, parang
May kaya pa.
it would be more perfect kung alam ko what's
You know,
best for me, what works for me. Yeah.
But
Imagine
it's so
right
good
now,
already.
sobrang-
Like, kung alam kung yung sa acidic na mga products, like, if oily ako, parang gano'n.
It's good.
So long as nakaka-create ako ng something out of something, I think that's best for now.
I can live, I can love.
Makeup records po para long wearing, lalo na for performance. Alam mo ba, grabe kaya yung pagka-oily na face ko, sobrang pawisin ko sa face. Lalo sa face.
Oily ka.
Super.
So bad talaga.
Super matte. Kaya nga di rin ako masyadong nag-highlighter.
Yeah.
Right? Kasi parang
Lalo ba sa-
oo.
Right? Dry skin, that's why we used to.
We love highlighter.
We love highlighter, we love doing
Bagay sa inyo dewy eh. Kasi you guys
Hard,
have
kailangan.
clear skin.
And then hard kilang dapat.
Yung ano ba, yung